to the Black Lion Kings channel. This is Beg Coins, and I decided to do my whole thing is about helping people and helping people with financial literacy and helping people earn money in almost every time the easiest way possible. That's part of why I'm doing what I do. And so now I decided to create a passive income um, channel, not a passive income channel, a passive income series of videos, so I can help people reach their financial goals or even just become better financially. So we're going to start off by talking about grass. Get grass. Look at the referral code in the description below. You're helping me, you're helping the channel, and you're helping me do something that I love to do, which is help people. So this is me, help you, help me, help you, and we'll go from there. Okay, so get grass. What is get grass? Let's just get straight into it. What is grass and how does it work? Grass is underlying infrastructure that powers AI models. By installing the grass web extension, the application will automatically sell your unused internet to AI companies who use it to scrape the internet and to train their AI models. The result, you share in the growth of AI, earning a stake in the network. For selling a resource you didn't even know you had. Ready to join the revolution? So you're basically selling your unused bandwidth to this company, who then turns around and sells it to I believe American, or at least vetted AI companies that need more bandwidth for their AI models to use in order to continue to process all the data and crunch the data and information that they receive every second. So we're helping them out with that. But regardless of that, it's a two-way street, and it needs to be a two-way street. This should be the way it is. A company should have to pay you for your resources that you're already paying for. So at the end of the day, even if you're not in it for helping the world to be a better place, or so be it, you're in it to make one of your bills a little bit easier. So while this grass token hasn't been launched yet, or these grass points haven't been necessarily incentivized yet, that is on the way. And if you want more information, you can click on the link at the top of the page, join the Discord, and then you can talk to anybody there. You can talk to the developers who run the place, who run the company. You can get customer service there. So moving forward, it's the backbone of the AI revolution. You can read all this on your own. I don't want to bore you with the details. They protect your personal data through encryption as well. And you can boost your rewards with the referral program. So if you have family, friends who trust what you're bringing them, believe what you tell them, and they also believe in this company, then you can earn a boost in your rewards. And here's some things of what random users have said, and you can read that on your own as well. And so what we're going to get into is the three steps on what to do and how to start earning on your own. Before we move on, I'd like to urge you to definitely share if there's somebody you think who could use this, who just has their computer on all the time and could everybody has their internet on all the time, but if you have your computer on, at least even in sleep mode, you'll continue to earn the grass points. And please hit the like, share, subscribe button. That was the last one I was looking for. All right, so now we're going to get into what you're supposed to do in order to start earning. So there's a download grass button in multiple different spots. Click on download grass. It's going to take you to the Chrome web browser store. You can also use this on the Edge browser as well, and any other browser that allows for Chrome extensions to be used. So you'll see a button here. I already have it installed up here. You'll see a button here. It says install to Chrome. All right, and once that happens, it'll send you into an area where you can create a username. Obviously I use Beg Coins. I am Beg Coins.